What if you had a platform that gave you the ability to deliver outstanding user experiences for your employees and customers, helped you digitize and automate your processes, and pave the way for modernizing legacy systems? With Mendix, you can do all that and do it fast. Mendix is a leader in application development, meeting head-on the need to deliver software differently. Through a visual approach to development and data modeling, Mendix empowers people across business and IT to easily collaborate and deliver digital solutions at scale. Whether you're starting with a customer-facing portal, an inventory management system, or that long-delayed upgrade of a legacy system, the flexibility of the Mendix platform will have you rethinking what is possible. Meet Alex. Alex works for a large enterprise with a key initiative to deliver a top-of-the-line digital customer experience. Alex knows their customers want to interact across multiple touchpoints. With Mendix, they can provide a broad range of user experiences across web and native mobile within a single development environment. Starting with an out-of-the-box design system, Alex can quickly build consistent and good-looking experiences that run on any cloud, public, private, or on-premises. Access to the right data is critical to success. With Mendix, Alex can easily connect to key data sources seamlessly and securely across internal and external systems. Alex can also search the Mendix marketplace or their organization's private marketplace for widgets, connectors, and modules that speed up development even further. To customize out-of-the-box capabilities, developers can use code to build or extend any solution. After their first app goes live, and the next one, and the ones after that, Mendix has everything Alex, their team, and their enterprise need to manage and govern application development at scale. Alex and their team are supported by a community of hundreds of thousands of Mendix developers and a proven track record of digital execution. Mendix is the leading low-code application development platform, empowering teams to collaborate on digital solutions for the enterprise.